Our physical abilities may vary as we age, but our need for personal protection does not. That is why we have compiled the list of 12 firearms that are simple to use, dependable, and effective. We'll go through everything from revolvers to pistols. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Number 1. Kimber K6S-TLE. The K6S-TLE has a 6-round cylinder and a smooth double-action trigger, which allows for rapid and precise self-defense firing. The revolver is chambered in .357 Magnum, which provides outstanding stopping power while still allowing it to shoot 38 special rounds, designed to reduce recoil and make follow-up shots simpler. The stainless steel frame and barrel of the K6S-TLE make it exceptionally robust, while also creating a sleek and contemporary appearance. The revolver also features an appealing black DLC coating that gives it a tactical appearance while also protecting it from corrosion. The tiny size of the K6S-TLE allows it to be carried and concealed while delivering great accuracy and dependability. The revolver also has Kimber's distinctive ergonomics, including a comfortable grip and simple controls. Number 2. Taurus 856 Ultra-Lite. The Taurus Right 56 Ultra-Lite revolver is a tiny and lightweight revolver, ideal for personal defense. The revolver has 6 shots and is chambered in 38 special. It has a small footprint and is built with lightweight aluminum, making it easy to transport and use. This gun's double-action trigger is one of its most notable characteristics. The trigger pull is smooth and steady, making it simple to shoot correctly even for beginners. The Taurus 856 Ultra-Lite is simple to disassemble and clean in terms of maintenance. The design of the gun provides for fast and easy access as well. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Model 637 Airweight. The Model 637 Airweight revolver is a small lightweight revolver that is simple to carry and conceal. It features a 5-shot cylinder and is chambered in 38 special. The design of this cannon is one of the most notable aspects. The revolver is composed of lightweight aluminum alloy and has a smooth and snag-free surface that allows it to be easily drawn from a holster or pocket. The smooth and reliable double-action trigger pull of the gun allows for precise shooting even at greater distances. The fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight make it simple to swiftly acquire targets. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry for long periods of time, and its compact size makes it simple to conceal in a pocket or handbag. Number 4. Taurus Spectrum. The Taurus Spectrum is a tiny and lightweight 380 ACP pistol. It boasts a one-of-a-kind design that is both utilitarian and fashionable. The gun comes in a number of colors and finishes, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking for a handgun that is both dependable and eye-catching. The ergonomic design of this gun is one of its most notable qualities. The grip on the pistol is ergonomically intended to fit comfortably in the hand, decreasing recoil and enhancing accuracy. The gun slide is extremely simple to handle, making loading and unloading a breeze. The Taurus Spectrum also has a smooth, steady trigger pull, which allows for precise shooting even at greater ranges. The gun's low-profile sights make it simple to swiftly acquire targets. Number 5. Ruger Single 9. The Ruger Single 9 is a .22 Magnum single-action revolver. It contains a 9-shot cylinder, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-capacity revolver. The gun's contemporary design is one of its most notable characteristics. The gun boasts a sleek stainless steel finish and a comfortable handle that makes it simple to grasp and shoot. The Ruger Single 9 boasts a smooth, crisp trigger pull that allows for accurate shooting, even at greater ranges. The gun's adjustable rear sight and ramp front sight make it simple to swiftly acquire targets. The Ruger Single 9 is very simple to care for. The design of the gun provides fast and easy access to internal components, making it simple to clean and maintain. Number 6. North American Arms Ranger 2. The Ranger 2 by North American Arms is a single-action revolver chambered in .22 Magnum. It's one of the smallest revolvers on the market, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking for concealable and easy to carry. The distinctive design of this gun is one of its most notable aspects. The gun's stainless steel frame and wood handle give it a classic and timeless appearance. The trigger pull of the North American Arms Ranger 2 is very smooth, allowing for precise shooting even at close range. The gun's fixed sights make it simple to swiftly acquire targets. Number 7. Taurus 692 SS. The Taurus 692 SS is a double-action revolver available in 38 Special or .357 Magnum calibers. It can also shoot 9mm. This adaptability makes it an excellent alternative for individuals looking for a revolver that can fire numerous calibers. The stainless steel finish and comfortable handle are two of this gun's prominent qualities. The ergonomic handle of the gun makes it simple to wield and shoot for extended periods of time. The Taurus 692 SS also offers a smooth trigger pull, which allows for accurate shooting even at great ranges. The gun's adjustable rear sight and ramp front sight make it simple to swiftly acquire targets. Number 8. Kimber K6S DCR. The Kimber K6S DCR revolver is a double-action revolver chambered in the .357 Magnum. It's a small, lightweight revolver that's ideal for covert carry or personal defense. The brushed stainless steel finish and unusual grip design of this revolver are two of its prominent qualities. The smooth trigger pull and ergonomic grip of the gun make it simple to hold and fire, even for long periods of time. A 3-dot sight system on the Kimber K6S DCR allows for rapid and straightforward target acquisition. The tiny size and high-quality manufacture of the rifle make it a dependable and accurate shooter. Its dependability, comfortable grip, and smooth trigger pull make it an excellent addition to any collection. Number 9. Charter Arms Off-Duty. The Charter Arms Off-Duty is a double-action revolver in .38 special caliber. It's a small lightweight gun that's simple to carry and hide, making it a popular self-defense weapon. The aluminum alloy frame and stainless steel cylinder are two of this gun's prominent characteristics. The lightweight design and ergonomic grip of the gun make it simple to wield and shoot for extended periods of time. In addition, the Charter Arms Off-Duty incorporates a fixed ramp front sight and a notched rear sight for rapid and easy target acquisition. The tiny size and high-quality manufacture of the revolver make it a dependable and accurate shooter. The Charter Arms Off-Duty is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and small self-defense revolver. Number 10. Grand Power P11. The Grand Power P11 is a semi-automatic handgun in 9mm caliber. It's a flexible and dependable gun that's ideal for both self-defense and hunting. This gun's rotating barrel mechanism is one of its most notable characteristics. During the shooting process, the barrel spins slightly, decreasing felt recoil and enhancing accuracy. The gun's ergonomic grip and smooth trigger pull make it simple to hold and shoot, even over long periods of time. The Grand Power P11 also boasts a 3-dot sight system, making target acquisition rapid and uncomplicated. The small size and high-quality manufacture of the rifle make it a dependable and accurate shooter. The Grand Power P11 is an excellent pick for anybody looking for a high-quality handgun with a distinctive rotating barrel design. Number 11. Rock Island Armory Baby Rock. The Rock Island Armory Baby Rock is a semi-automatic pistol in .380 ACP caliber. It's a compact and lightweight gun that's simple to carry and hide, making it a popular self-defense weapon. This gun's minimal recoil and comfortable grip are two of its most notable attributes. The form of the cannon makes it simple to grasp and shoot, especially for individuals with little hands. The Baby Rock from Rock Island Armory also sports a fixed front sight and an adjustable rear sight for quick and easy target acquisition. The Rock Island Armory Baby Rock is very simple to disassemble and clean. The design of the gun provides for fast and easy access to internal components, making it simple to clean and maintain. Number 12. Canik TP9 Elite SC. The Canik TP9 Elite SC is a semi-automatic handgun in 9mm caliber. It's a compact and lightweight gun that's simple to carry and hide, making it a popular self-defense weapon. The improved ergonomics of this gun are one of its distinguishing qualities. The shape of the pistol makes it easy to grasp and shoot, especially for individuals with bigger hands. The gun also has a reversible magazine release and an adjustable rear sight for customizing to the shooter's requirements. The Canik TP9 Elite SC also includes a low-profile, user-friendly slide release and trigger safety, making it a safe and dependable shooter. The small size and high-quality manufacture of the rifle make it a dependable and accurate choice for concealed carry. Well, truth be told, age is just a number. Hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on more gun-related videos in the future. Do you want to know which guns you should avoid buying? Then check the video, 15 Guns Only Idiots Carry. Thank you for watching!